So if you're looking at getting another wall charger for your MacBook Pro, I do highly recommend sticking with the Apple wall chargers or a quality name brand wall charger such as New Green or Anchor, maybe Inui, I think is another one. Basis is fairly good, if I'm saying those right. But stay away from the no-name brands. Let this be a word of warning. I have this 17-inch MacBook Pro 2011, which is the last year that Apple made the 17-inch. And this was functioning fine. I was using macOS Sonoma on it. Even got it up to Sequoia, but it was starting to run a little sluggish there. I went to go charge it the other day, and as I was removing the MagSafe charger, it sparked and popped. That's not a good thing. I had purchased this charger off of Amazon maybe 3 years ago, and it had been working fine, no problems. And the reason I purchased this one was because when I bought my 17-inch MacBook Pro, it didn't come with a charger. It wasn't even working. I had to replace the battery, the logic board, added more RAM, thermal paste, yada, 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 and an SSD drive versus the hard drive. On the replacement logic board, I still had to reball the GPU. Those of you that know, these 17-inch MacBook Pros, and I believe the 15-inch as well, that year, 2011, and I think even some of 2010, the GPUs, they came with 2 GPUs. The integrated GPU would work fine, and thermally it was fine. But the better GPU, the discrete GPU, that one would heat up quite a bit, so much to the point that it would actually loosen the solder and disconnect, and you'd get a gray screen or you'd get lines across the screen. Anyway, so basically I got this 17-inch MacBook Pro and kind of rebuilt it. It wasn't the greatest thing in the world, but I wanted the biggest laptop that Apple ever had, just part of my collection. So I went on Amazon, found this charger. I believe I paid $20, $25, something like that. So it was a lot cheaper than getting the comparable Apple one if you could find it. And the catch was the type of MagSafe that it used. Well, take a look at what's left of the MagSafe connector. Not sure if you can see there. Here, I'll try it on this other camera as well. And I'll try zooming in. Okay, so it's not supposed to look like that. When I went to remove this charger from the laptop, the MacBook Pro, as I mentioned, it sparked and popped and arced. And parts of it stayed connected to the MacBook Pro. There's a little piece here, another piece here. Yeah, so I had to remove that from the MagSafe port. Needless to say, after doing so, the MacBook no longer boots up. So my little piece of Apple history will need to be rebuilt again. So let this be a word of warning, a little bit of advice. Don't go super cheap if you're trying to replace a wall charger for your laptops. Get the name brand one from the manufacturer, preferably, this case Apple, or use one from a reputable brand. Again, Anchor, Ugreen, etc. And that's all I've got. See you later. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.